Mercy. Guys, I will be happy for my relationship been sick, so please, ẹ máa bá mi rántí wọn nínú àdúrà o. Ara wọn máa yá, ara yín máa yí. Mọ́mì yẹn tí ìrònú ní jù ni, mo dẹ̀ máa ń sọ fún yín, ẹ má ronú, as well. So Para Foundation, owó yẹn dà, àti Florence Modupe Foundation. Florence Modupe Foundation. Àwọn náà kó owó yìí this morning and owó provision ní bá mi kó sí ìjọba. Not for money. So guys, I just want you to remember her in your prayers. I want to want you know Adura, and I'll put her account details for you to support whatever you can support with. You understand? If you read by Joe, mommy, Sarah did you. I'm going to about to put you sọ̀run. You put sọ̀run by you. Let's go. Boy, ẹ má ronú mọ́. Let's go. Ẹ má ronú mọ́. Please, I beg you. So, this is the hello, my sister. Anyway. I'll put her account details for you to support further. Para has done our part. If you feel you want to support her with anything, you can always. I'll put her account details so any support one. She's looking better. But it was a terrible situation, but now she's better. So pray for her, guys, and whatever you want to support her with. Ṣẹ̀gbọ́n ní kú fún wa báyìí ẹ̀yin jẹ́ wọn ọmọ jù báyìí lọ ṣe ti gbọ́.
A kí gbogbo foundation tí wọ́n wá kó sí adúpẹ́ o gbogbo yín pátápátá la dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín pé wọn ò ní dáwó àìsàn fún ẹ̀mí náà lórúkọ Jésù foundation yẹn náà túbọ̀ máa lọ sókè sí i ọwọ́ yín ò ní lórúkọ Jésù ayé á mọ̀ yín káàkiri àgbálá ayé ṣe ìdààmú ò ní bá ẹ̀yin náà o ẹ ṣé adúpẹ́ o.
Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ̀dẹ̀ kò tọ́jú mọ́mì o kò tọ́jú wọn á túbọ̀ jẹun yín ju báyìí lọ wọn ò ní wá wọn ti báyìí láàrin wa ọkàn nínú abalẹ̀ God will be with you ọmọ rere náà àtọ́jú ẹ̀yin náà agbára Ọlọ́run.
Ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́.